peep the swag before the echo. Go check them out. Anyway, this will be my first time doing a Euro mount on my own. Got my Florida deer head here. Pot of water. Just added borax and Dawn. I'm gonna get this boiling. I'm following oh dang, I done twisted this all around. It ain't gonna work. Alright guys, gonna do the Euro mount. I done got this thing all cleaned up. Carved them off. Did a bunch of stuff. Left it outside for the bees to get while I was on my hunting trip. Got the propane, pot of water. In the water we added some Dawn and borax. Now we're gonna light her up. And get that thing boiling. The first one I've ever done. So stay tuned and we'll see how it turns out. I got a buddy who does a bunch of them. Shout out Chris Bryant. He told me how to do it for the most part. I've watched some videos, so nothing to it but to do it. So we doing it. Stay tuned. Got us a nice little consistent boil going here, you know, just barely boiling. You see, just so your water's moving. Check it. Said deer head. We're gonna put him in there. Now I'm gonna find some way to prop up and get the horns kind of out of the water. I wonder what would happen if I go upside down. Because I got a small pot, small deer head. No. I'll do like that. Nope, that ain't gonna work either. Well, they say it shouldn't mess it up as long as you're not putting any like bleach additives and stuff in it. I think I can put a, yeah, that's better. Alright, well, we're gonna let that go for like 2 or 3 hours, take it out, spray it. 2 hours, take it out, spray it. Try to get it cleaned up, shake all the stuff out that we can. And then, what are we gonna do, Walter? What are we gonna do? Huh? Then we're gonna let it boil another hour. Alright, we'll be back. Well, it's been an hour. As you can see, the top is showing. Just remind you guys that when it boils, it evaporates. That means the water goes away. See what it looked like? Getting all the, boiling all the stuff off. Looking pretty good. We're gonna add some water to it and let it keep going. Alright. After a 2.5 hour boil, 2 hour, got it pretty clean. Now, I took a little wire brush and I went around the horns, went in all these little crevices a little bit, not too much in here because it's brittle. Flip it over on the backside, brush, all that stuff, do the gums, you know. And then I took a little pick and I started going into all these little things. See, there's still a little bit right there.
See a little bit right there? That's okay. And then after I picked and used my knife, after you boil it, you spray it all off with the water hose and then come in here and use your knife and use your pick and use your wire brush. Not bad. This right here, doing good. Let it dry up a little bit, and then got up in the brains. You gotta scramble them things out and shake them out. Getting this water back up to a little boil. We're gonna give it another 35-45 minutes, and then we're gonna rubber band the nose up and let her dry. There it is, fresh out the old second boil. A little split right here. So when we dry it, we're going to put a rubber band around the nose. Not tight, but just tight enough. Let's see if I can get some of that cartilage out. A little bit. There it is. There it is. Got the deer head. Got all the little cracks hit with super glue. Got the nose cleaned out. Super glued. Super glue. Super glue. I left it the natural bone color. We're not going to do white. I like the way it looks on this wood. 100-year-old barn wood. Came off of a resto barn in Ohio. They used it in one of their houses, so I got me a scrap piece. Yeah, gold Schluter tile edge that I just bent around the back. Slap some screws in her. Look at that. Yeah. There's screw heads. I'm just going to kind of grind those things off and make little silver dots around. Head's going to get mounted on at the angle, like so. Then I'm going to get a canvas picture ordered that'll fit right here. Might hang it lower, might put it right in between the middle of these three holes here. There you have it. I'll attach a picture of it when it's all done. Thanks for watching.